Welcome back. If you were to go to the wizard and you click on the bottom panel, once you've chosen your Shopify plan, part of the process, what you can do now is remove your store password. So we're going to click here and click Remove Password. That's going to bring us back to our Preferences area. And what we're going to do now is we're going to disable the password. And we're going to click Save. That means now that our page is live. And if we are going to be in the Preferences area of our online store, we're going to want to give our home page a title. Typically, you are going to want to make sure that your description and your title are search engine friendly. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to write in a home page description, even though we are technically not spending a great deal of time to make sure that it is search engine friendly. You're generally going to have a social sharing image preview, so that whenever your page is shared on social media, the image that's in this section will be shown on that platform. If you want to change that image, you can click this link and make the change, and you've been given a recommended size of 1200 pixels by 628 pixels. We can also add in Google Analytics tracking. Now, to do that, you are going to need to have an account with Google Analytics, and you're going to need to log into your Google Analytics account. When you are logged into Google Analytics, you can go to the GA4 Setup Assistant. You can create a new property. You can then create the property. You can then see your new GA4 property. You can then open your connected property. You can then go to Tracking Information. You can then get the tracking code. You can then grab the entire tracking code. You can add the tracking code to your page. You can then click Save. If you're going to set up a Facebook pixel, you can set it up here. You can activate and limit your data collection for EU buyers in this area. You can limit your data collection for California buyers in this area. This will require a special application. You can install the application in this area. You can then click Install Application. And in the next video, we will come back and calibrate the privacy applications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.